Hey guys, welcome back. In this video we're going to check out more of the van build. So now Andrew starts in on the other door. Same procedure again, just cuts out the panel and gets it ready for gluing. Here we have the panel now all removed. There's just enough time for a quick picture. Now we leave Andrew to install the window and we get on to installing the insulation in the floor. Alright guys, so it's not cobwebs but we are insulating the floor. How are you getting on, Sinead?
Yeah, really good.
So what do we have put in now?
Getting there. So this is just some, I think it's 5mm XPS insulation. And yeah, hopefully we're putting 2 layers down, 2 thin layers, and then 1 solid one on top. So hopefully
Brilliant.
it'll be nice and warm.
So how are you sticking it down?
With blue tack spray.
Brilliant.
So this stuff, it's pretty handy.
Super.
It goes on really easy.
And why are you using FPS board and not just bubble wrap?
Just as a better R value, so better insulator.
Brilliant.
The other stuff, if it's not used right, it's a waste of time. So
Every day's a learning day.
yeah.
Now with a layer of plywood and some paint, this is how the floor looks like when it's all finished.
So we are degreasing it so that when we stick our sound deadening panel, it sticks to it good.
There's a lot on the roof.
Just give it a good push on, and then you just get the heat gun in and just give it an extra roll and just make sure that it's well stuck. After sound deadening all the walls, insulation board was now installed. An expanding foam was used to fill up any of the exposed gaps. The roof was also insulated and will be finished in 3mm ply. So that's all the updates I have for now. Are we doing it right? Are we doing it wrong? You tell me. So don't forget to rate, comment and subscribe. Support me in PayPal in the link below. As always, thanks for watching. See you next time.